Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a faster and more accurate way to generate 3D models using Tripo AI. Here, I generated a 3D motorcycle from just a single image. And as you can see, the model looks good, but some of the details are not very accurate. Now take a look at this version. This model was generated using multiple views of the same motorcycle, and the result is much closer to the real design. So in this video, we'll explore how this works with the new version Tripo 3.1. And later in the video, we'll also explore a new feature called Smart Mesh, which can automatically turn your model into an optimized low-poly game asset in just a few seconds. Now let's start by generating a motorcycle model using just a single image. First, let's go to Tripo Studio. In the top left corner, you'll see two different modes for creating models. The first one is the HD model, which generates very detailed and high polygon models. The second one is Smart Mesh, which creates optimized low-poly models much faster. Since I want to create a highly detailed model, I'll select the HD model. Now let's upload our reference image. First, we'll generate the model using just a single image. Here we also have two generation options, Standard and Ultra. Since I want maximum detail and a more realistic model, I'll select the Ultra mode. I'll also enable the texture option, since I want the model to be generated with textures. Just keep in mind that generating the model without textures would be faster. I'll also enable the PBR option in the texture settings. PBR helps create more realistic materials by simulating how light interacts with surfaces. Once these settings are ready, we can click the Generate button to start creating the model. As you can see, the model is generated with PBR textures in just a few minutes, and the level of detail is already very impressive. However, since the model was generated from only one reference image, some parts are not exactly correct. For example, the license plate area at the back, the exhaust section, and some of the small details at the front look a bit different. To recreate the model much more accurately, we can use Tripo's multi-view feature. Now let's try the multi-view feature. First, I go to the multi-view tab and upload 4 reference images of the same motorcycle: front, left, right, and back views of the model. This should help Tripo generate a much more accurate model. Now I click the Generate button and recreate the model. As you can see, the model now matches the reference images much more closely, and the small details are captured much more accurately. However, as you can see, the model is quite dense and has around 2 million faces. While this is great for capturing a lot of detail and visualization, it's not ideal for game engines or animation workflows, because the mesh is not optimized and can be heavy to work with. To solve this problem, Tripo introduces a new feature called Smart Mesh. Smart Mesh automatically generates clean and optimized topology, so the model becomes much lighter and ready to use in real-time engines like Unity or Unreal. In other words, instead of getting a heavy mesh that needs a lot of cleanup, Smart Mesh creates a production-ready model right from the start. Now, let's try generating the same model using the Smart Mesh tool. Switch the generation mode from HD model to Smart Mesh. As you can see, Smart Mesh currently doesn't support quad topology, so the model will be generated with a triangle-based mesh. However, we can later convert the topology to quads using the Remesh tool. You can also control the polygon count here. For now, I'll keep it at 5000. Once everything is ready, let's click Generate and create the model. As you can see, the model is generated very quickly using Smart Mesh. In just a few seconds, we already have a clean and optimized low-poly version of the model. However, for a model like this motorcycle, which has a lot of small details, 5000 polygons is quite low. Because of that, some of the details look a bit simplified. If we increase the poly count to around 12,000 and generate the model again, we get a much more consistent result while still keeping the mesh lightweight. Now let's add textures to the model. For this, click on the Texture tab in the panel on the left. Here, we'll generate the textures using our reference images. By selecting the 4K option, we can create very detailed, high-resolution textures. Once everything is ready, click Generate Texture, and in just a few seconds, the textured model will be ready. Looks great! Now let's click on the PBR tab and generate the PBR textures. Now it looks much better. However, as you can see, the model currently has a triangle-based topology. If you want to convert it to quad topology, you can use the Remesh tool. Select the Quad Topology option and click the Retopology button. As you can see, the model is converted to quad topology in just a few seconds. Triangle topology usually works perfectly fine for game engines, but in some cases, quad topology can be easier to edit and more convenient for other types of workflows. So as you can see, Tripo 3.1 makes it really easy to generate highly detailed and accurate 3D models in just a few minutes. And with features like Smart Mesh, you can also quickly turn those models into optimized, low-poly assets for real-time use. If you want to try Tripo for yourself, make sure to check the link in the description. When you sign up using that link, you'll get an extra 500 credits. And you can also use my discount code to get 60% off your first month on the paid plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.